Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another summer clean and decorate with me. So in my last clean and decorate with me, we decorated my dining room and my hutch for the 4th of July, so with all of my patriotic decor. And then this time I am going to be decorating my kitchen with you, and we're going to be brightening it up with some lemon decor. So if you're interested in the patriotic decor, I'll make sure to leave that video down below for you guys. I also showed you a fun DIY and a super yummy dessert recipe that is perfect for any event that you might have going on for the 4th of July. So make sure you check that out down below. But for today's video, I decided that I am not going to do a whole lot of talking. I'm going to put on some nice relaxing music for you guys and just let you watch as I go through the process of cleaning and decorating my kitchen. I had no clue what I was going to do in here. However, I wanted to use all decor I've already have. I've been doing this all year. Instead of buying new seasonal decor, I've just been kind of trying to find ways to decorate in different ways from the past years, but with the same decor. So I had no clue what I was going to do, and I'm just bringing you along with me as I decorate and undecorate, take a few steps back, decide what I like and don't like, all of that fun stuff. The only new piece that I bought for my kitchen was that pantry sign that you guys just saw me put up on my little pantry door, since we just painted our cabinets white. Again, I have a video on that as well. I've been trying to incorporate some more everyday decor in here, and that was something that I have been wanting to add. So that is the only new item I bought. However, I am just going to go ahead and stop talking and let you guys watch. If you have any questions where anything's from, feel free to leave it down below, but I will be having a summer home tour coming up, and I always go through and explain where everything is from in those videos. Before I stop talking though, I just wanted to take a minute and tell you guys that today's video is in collab with my really good friend here on YouTube, Laura. I'm going to leave her channel and her video down below. She is also going to be decorating with you guys for summer, so you guys are going to get twice the inspiration and motivation from these videos. I can't wait to watch hers. She is so sweet, you guys, and her family is so sweet, and I just know you will love her channel. She puts a lot of work into her videos, and she posts 4 times a week for you guys, so make sure you check her out because I know you will love her. Let her know that I sent you if you go over there from here. And now, let's just go ahead and do some decorating. Okay, so since we're about halfway through this video, I do just want to take a second and ask you guys how you like a video where I'm talking less. I know I can talk a lot, and a lot of my cleaning and decorating videos end up with me just talking over the whole entire thing for the most part with very little music. So let me know please in the comments down below if you prefer minimal talking or if you like the talking. Just let a girl know what you like to see.
It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. But there's something holding on in the way of being not gone.
Okay, you guys, at this point, I am basically done decorating my kitchen. I'm not sure how I feel about this above the fridge decor. I've never done this before. However, after I added the pantry sign, I was just feeling adding a little touch up there. I do like it, and those color schemes that you see, like the green, whites, brown, and black, is really what I want to aim for eventually throughout my whole house. Obviously, right now I have some pops of color for the holidays, but I really want to get a good neutral slate going, and that's the slate I want to go for. So I'm kind of working on that slowly. That's why I haven't been wanting to buy any more seasonal decor at the moment. Your girl is on a budget over here, so I get to buy things slowly as I go. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration for your summer decor. If you did enjoy this, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you made it this far, please leave the lemon emoji down below. I love doing this with you guys and just seeing who watches the full videos and everything like that. Don't forget to check out my friend Laura. You guys will love her. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.